Welcome back, Unfinished family. If you watched my apartment shopping video, you probably could have guessed that I picked this apartment. Anyways, first things first, turn that AC on. I got all my stuff in the house, I got some stuff for the house, and now I'm going to be unpacking. As I start to put the house together, I'm going to start by putting this really cute duvet cover set onto the bed, and like magic, it's on there. Wow, video magic. Okay. Just kidding. It actually takes me a little while to put duvet cover sets on because I'm not used to putting them on. Honestly, the apartment is already aesthetically pleasing, so there's not a whole lot that I have to do to make it feel like home. All that I really had to do was get a duvet cover set that matched my personality, a shower curtain that made the bathroom look nice, and tidy up a little bit, organize my stuff around the room. The hardest part, I think, was trying to organize where my stuff should go. I didn't bring as much stuff from the States with me that I was planning to, and so it's not like I have a lot to put away. The issue is trying to figure out what would be best, like as far as what stuff would work best in what places, as far as like easy accessibility for certain items, stuff like that. I really don't know why it took me so long to make this bed, y'all. It is not that difficult. But this is the final result. It's real cute. Was it worth the effort? Maybe, but why? Y'all peep the outfit change? I have no idea why I put stuff together on different days. It should not have taken me this long. This shower curtain is real cute though, let me tell you. And then I did something real American, y'all. I got like a 12 pack of toilet paper for somebody who lives by themselves. Like, why would I do that? I don't know. It just felt right, and that's what I did. I promise I don't do that no more, though. All right, I'm gonna give you the real tour of the apartment for real now. Hey, Unfinished fam, I am super excited for today's video. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you a tour of my apartment here in the Philippines. So, if you're interested to see how I'm living, stick around. First things first, let's go inside. Welcome in. Let's start with the kitchen. First, let's turn on the lights. So this is my entryway / kitchen. There's this huge mirror once you walk in. Everything was left here by the owner. He asked me if I wanted him to take anything with him. I said no, leave it all. I have shoe holders under these cabinets. So if I have guests, I can ask them to put their shoes in here. Right now I have my go-to shoes that I usually wear most days. So the place did come with a microwave and the air fryer. You don't really see that too often, especially the air fryer. Most places I viewed did have microwaves though. Over here is where I set my to-go items. So my keys, my fan, and my masks. Then you have a hood range for cooking. You have built-in range with 2 eyes on it, really awesome. Over here I have the sink, and above more pots and pans and plates and such. Same thing here, pots and pans. So under this one I actually have a rice cooker, and I think that's a pressure cooker. And this is actually where I store all of the kitchen items. And again, the owner left all of these things for me. Under this sink I have the trash and then some miscellaneous items. So this right here is actually a oil catcher, and I actually need to get that cleaned once a month. So the things that come down through the sink, I have this catcher right here, but anything else that falls through, it goes straight into here, and I have to pay somebody to clean that out for me. Otherwise it smells horrible. Another very large mirror, that was the first one that you saw, and then there's this one. The lighting in here is also really awesome. There's a lot of light switches. I'm still getting used to it, but very nice. So next I'm going to take you to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's a very nice size actually. So another very large mirror with some shelving over here. So I just store some of my stuff. I do have a towel bar right now. I am washing all of my clothes. Well, going to wash all my clothes, including that. Light switches right here. So something cool that I found out. So watch this. Do you see that? So the light actually changes. The warmth of the light changes every time I turn it on, which is really cool. Okay. So the toilet does come with a bidet, which is actually very common here in the Philippines. I haven't used one yet, but they're there if you need it. So another cool thing that I liked about this bathroom is that it has two shower heads. It has the rainfall one and then this handheld one. And this right here is a water heater. So my water heater is actually only connected to the handheld one. So I only use the handheld one right now. I haven't used that one yet because it's kind of cold water and I don't want that on me. So let's head back out. So you probably noticed this already. This is my clean water jug. The owner actually left me 3, which is awesome. So I can go downstairs and I get 6 free refills per month. I use this water for cooking. I use it for drinking. And another part of the kitchen, another mirror and some more shelving, which is really awesome. He did leave me 2 rugs. I haven't figured out where to put them yet because he did also leave me these other 2. Oh no, more light switches. So these light switches work for this dining area. So let's turn some of them on. So this one does that. This one is for the recess lighting and those parts. And then this last one, you probably can't tell. So let's do it again. That one. So this is the dining area. It comes with a built-in, I guess you would call this a peninsula. And he also left 2 chairs as well. A lot more storage. I haven't, oh, he left these 2. I haven't really needed all this storage just yet, but it's nice to know that it is here. Bam! There's a fridge. So it is smaller than a fridge that you would see in the US, but I think it's perfect for me. So I have a few things, not a lot. I bought that to hold the water, the clean water, and to keep it cold. My freezer is also pretty spacious. So it comes with this built-in ice maker. So all I have to do is fill it up. It's not quite done yet. Fill it up, and then when it's ready, I just turn it over and it falls into here. And also comes with a nice little sofa. This is considered a studio apartment. What I do like is that there is this separation of space. Even though it's a studio, there's a clear separation of what is for entertaining, which is all of this, and what is for sleeping, which is over there. So another very large mirror, very nice. And I love the placement of these mirrors because it makes the space feel so much bigger. And he left me a fake plant. I actually did ask him to take this because it kind of just takes up space, but I'm okay with it. It looks nice. He also left me this fan, which I truly appreciate. I try not to run my AC too often because electricity here in the Philippines is actually a little pricey. Now, welcome to my room. This is a full-size bed. He left the duvet, so I just got duvet cover with sheets. And then another cool part is this desk area. So he left the chair for me, and I've been doing a lot of my editing right here, and it feels very nice and not so claustrophobic because of these bars, them being open. So I really like that. This is a bigger TV than what I saw in other apartments, if those apartments had TVs. And I like that accent wall as well. I keep all of my shoes under there. I have more storage. So under the bed comes with more storage as well. I stored my bags over here, dirty clothes. Under here is more of my travel gear. And so when I got the place, when I was viewing it, the owner apologized for having such a small armoire, but I actually think it's perfect for me. I can fit all the stuff that I got, and I can actually fit more stuff in here if I needed to. Let me not skip out on the view. Check this out. So this building has 2 towers. I am in one, the other one is straight ahead. My tower actually has the cafe downstairs. That tower over there has the gym. So there's a basketball court. So funny story, another one of the scholars, he picked this place specifically because it was the only apartment complex here with the basketball court. So it comes with 3 pools as well. That's the everybody pool. This is the children's pool. And then this is a pool that you can swim laps in. Let me not forget about these lights. So this first one turns on all of these. The second one turns on that backlighting right there. And then this one, oh, I like this one a lot. You ready for this one? Bam. Turns on the lighting behind the TV. Just, amazing. All right, so let me chat with you on a few of the specs of this apartment complex. So first of all, there are quite a few foreigners that live in this building. My theory is because of the amenities that they have here. It's really amazing, too good to pass up, truly. Another thing is I'm technically in Greenfield District, which is a really nice walkable area. I'm very close to a lot of things. I have 4 malls within walking distance from me, the furthest one being maybe a 15 to 20 minute walk depending on my speed. I also have grocery stores all over. There are carts downstairs where people are selling fruit and vegetables for the low, so that's also really amazing. In Greenfield District, they also have places to go at night, like bars. I went recently, they have food trucks in the parking lot of Greenfield Tower, which is also where the Fulbright office is. So I can really just walk to the Fulbright office if I ever need anything, if my Wi-Fi here is not working. Oh, that's another thing. This apartment included Wi-Fi. That is sometimes unheard of. So here in the Philippines, what I've heard is that it takes about, you have to do a 2-year contract when it comes to the Wi-Fi. And so my owner already had Wi-Fi built into the place. And so he just included that in my monthly cost, which I'm completely fine with because I heard it was an extreme hassle for a foreigner to try to get Wi-Fi in the apartment that they're renting. I'm also really close to not 1, but 2 MRT stations. So the MRT is the public train around here. Right now for the month of June, it is free. So I took a trip to Makati and the entire trip was free other than if I spent any money on anything at all, as far as like food or drinks or items. So it was really nice, very quick to get to where I was going. When I moved in, everything was nice and clean in here. They had the cleaners come in and clean after the owner had moved out. So I moved in I signed my lease on Friday. The owner moved out on Saturday. I moved in on Sunday. So everything was spick and span. It was beautiful, it was amazing. However, it is common for there to be roaches in large complexes like this. So the other day, or yesterday, I did see a roach crawl from outside to under my door. I got it pretty quickly, and as I was walking outside of my door, I saw another one. I also killed that so it wouldn't come under my door again. But last night, I was putting my trash into the trash bags that you saw at the front, but I had them sitting on the floor for a little while. So I picked up one of the bags and a roach did fall on my leg. I did freak out. and it was hard for me to sleep last night because I kept feeling like a bug was crawling on me. But easy fix, I killed it, threw it out, and then I bleached my doorway. And then today I'm gonna go grab some bug repellent, specifically roach repellent, so that's not an issue anymore. And I'm going to frequently clean so it doesn't become an issue. But again, it's something that is common in large cities anywhere really, and so I'm not too upset about it, and my place is pretty clean, and if I keep it clean then it won't be a problem. So I shouldn't have had the trash sitting around when, you know, those bugs can come under my door. I might also try to find one of those sleeves that you can put on the bottom of your door for the wind draft, and I think that that will lower my electricity for one, and for two, not let bugs crawl under my door. Another big expense here is electricity. So I've heard that your electricity here can be at minimum 2,000 pesos, which is kind of a lot for an apartment of this size. But when I first came to view the place, the owner was here and my broker asked him, hey, how much do you usually pay for electricity? He said about 1,500 pesos. And we were both kind of shocked because that's the first that I have heard that anybody has paid significantly less than 2,000. But when the broker asked, like, how often do you run your AC? Because the AC running is a big expense when it comes to electricity. He said 24/7. And so I took a closer look at his AC unit, and it's also an energy saving AC unit, which is amazing because some of the other places that I saw, they weren't so much energy saving, and some of them actually had gaps around where the AC unit was. So another great steal for this apartment. Another contributing factor for the AC and electricity, he also has 4 panels of energy saving curtains. So I keep those closed most of the day, or like a small gap in it to get some sunlight. At night I definitely keep it closed, but I think that's also really helpful. I haven't gotten my first electricity bill yet, but I'll let you know. I have been running the electricity most days and most times, except for when I'm out most of the day. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my spot. It really is cool. I really do like it. This is the best apartment that I've seen. Check out my video on apartment touring that I did around Manila and also in Quezon City close to UPD. Again, thank you for watching. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. On TikTok and Instagram, I am posting videos of what I've learned here in the Philippines, so make sure you go look at those and like them. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.